What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a new video today, brand new GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. This is a 2026 truck. This is getting the top of the line 2.5 inch BDS Performance Elite kit with the Fox coilover shocks. It's going to be amazing. This is going to be a very, very nice truck. We're doing some 22x10 fuel Rebels in the black finish. We're doing some mud flap deletes, and we're going to try to tuck some 285, 55, 22, which is like a 34 inch tall tire. I think we're going to do the Nitto Ridge Grappler. I've got a backup tire that's a little bit smaller if the worst case scenario happens, which is it hits the bumper. We've got a bumper spacer in line just in case. I really don't like bumper spacers as much because it changes the way the truck looks on the outside. It makes the front looks like longer. I'm not really a huge fan. I don't know what it is about it, but I don't like it. But we're going to try to do it without the bumper spacers, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully it works out. My customer's name is Darren. He drove all the way from Orlando to be here this morning. He's staying here in town tonight, and hopefully we'll have this truck done. We're going to try to get it done the first day, as we always do. Worst case scenario, it'll be done tomorrow, but I've had the conversation with him already, and he seems like he's on board to try, so we're getting started right now. Stay tuned. Here's our beautiful truck. Brand spanking new. Got like 4,000 miles on it. Inside this truck is very, very, very clean. It is the 3.0 Duramax diesel. This truck is immaculate clean on the outside and the inside. You have to you have to respect it when people take care of their stuff. I can't say that I'm one of those people that keep my truck really, really clean all the time. I wish I was better about it. This is a very, very nice truck. Can't wait to get started on it.
What's up? No, not yet. Wanna pull 'em up? Yeah. Ready? Told you. Good luck.
Well, we got our GMC Sierra AT4 ready to go, and it is very, very nice. This truck it's super clean. There's nothing that he missed on the build. He bought everything you could buy. This lift kit is insane. It's the BDS 2.5-inch Performance Elite coilover kit with the Fox coilovers with the reservoirs. This kit is phenomenal. It is really nice. It rides amazing. I just drove the truck. We have some 22-inch fuel wheels and some 34-inch Nitto Ridge Grappler tires. The truck looks great. The customer's about to get back on the road and head back to Florida. Wanted to say I appreciate it to him one more time before we close the video out. I'm about to get out and show you the truck. I know there's going to be a lot of people in the comments on this one. This truck is super, super nice. I know that there's going to be a lot of people that like this, and I know that we're going to get a lot of phone calls off this truck. Brand spanking new GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. This truck is already an off-road style truck. He's done the blacked out Duramax badge. I really like that. But on this lift kit, let's start out down at the bottom on the cross member. This is your standard BDS front cross member for any 2, 4, 6-inch lift on these trucks. The Trail Boss is factory lifted 2 inches, so when you add this lift kit to it, you get 2.5 inches more than what stock is. So technically it's like a 4.5-inch lift on a regular Sierra, not AT4, but this one is super nice. Your axle angles are 0 degrees, flat, perfect, better than factory. There's your coilover right there, your Fox coilover. I'll get up here and show you this. It has the reservoir over to the 2.5-inch Performance Elite Fox reservoir. There's your upper control arm right there from BDS. This comes in this kit. It's a very, very nice kit. Every single piece of bracketry you would think that you could possibly buy is on this kit. Everything's amazing. We did the same Fox 2.5s in the rear. This is the remote reservoir. You actually have to put that in through the back, so the bed of the truck has to be like lifted up, loosened up and lifted up. There's the shock in the back right there. The wheel and tire fitment is very, very tight on this one. We did the best that we could, and I think it turned out amazing. We did not do a bumper spacer. We did do the Rough Country Mud Flap Delete kit right here. We heavily modified it, but the customer's very happy with the trim. This was really him pushing for the tire size more than me, so he knew kind of a little bit going into this that we're gonna have to modify some. I've honestly never seen a cut job that clean with that little of a piece left on the mud flap delete. But what that means is on the side of the truck here, horrible lighting, but the side of the truck, you can tell that you cannot see something missing. Let me go on the other side. You cannot see something missing, right? If you take the mud flap completely off, you can tell it. This one, you can see the mud flap delete is there, and it's very unnoticeable that the truck has been trimmed. There's no trimming on the front bumper. Once you get up in there and start staring and looking at things, you can tell that that's been modified a little bit, but it's not bad at all. I'm really happy with the cut. They knocked it out of the park. The truck looks amazing. I'm super happy with it. I know the customer's very happy with it. If you guys have any questions about this one, feel free to reach out. My number here at the shop is 678-994-9180. I'm here Monday through Friday. My name is Jake. We're in McDonough, Georgia. And if you're curious on what this job costs, I'm gonna put a quote right behind this clip showing the price. Stay tuned.